This is lucrative dimensions. Today we are working on a BMW X1, all keys lost, Cas3 Istap, and then we are using Xtool Pet 3 Lite, special edition. We are going to key programming. We have read the case information, and then we go to BMW. I think you can see, and then we go to immobilizer, then manual select, and then case 1 to case 3. Then here it's prompting us to be connected to the internet, and then it's already connected. Then we say okay, and then we go to adapter file or key adaptation here. So since you're using Pet 3, it's a bit tricky because with Cas3 Plus, if you come and choose Cas3 Plus here, 0L15Y, as it's supposed to be, it's not going to give you the number of keys used or the number of keys not used. So what we're going to do, we're going to use Cas3 only, 0L01Y, and then we'll be choosing that one. Then we go to keys matching, and then here is prompting us to put a flash file or EEPROM file. You can't see properly, it's late at night right now here in Botswana. Then go to OK. We have already read the file, right? And then we go to ECU. That's where it saves the file. We go to ECU, and then BMW. We've already read the file. It's Cas3 Plus. Here it is, Cas3 Plus EEPROM Dubula X1. And then we choose it, and then as you can see, it has shown us that it's Cas3 Plus, and then there's the case number, the VIN code, and then there's the remote frequency, and then key tooth code for cutting, manual key, and then the DME. This is the ISIN number that we're going to use. This number DME is the ISIN number that we're going to use to do what? To make the lost key. So we are going to snap the photo of that DME so that you can be able to make a new key, and then we snap it with another phone, and then we say okay. Mind you, the DME, this is the ISN number. It's very tricky. These Chinese machines, they're very tricky, so you should be wise. Then okay, and then we come to generate the spare key, right? And then we come to key position 5. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them, they are occupied. They are used. You can even see the code. They are written used. Key number 5 is not used, right? And then we say generate key number 5. We've chosen key position 5, whether to continue, and then you say yes. Sorry, it's late at night, so you can't see properly. So here to prompt you to say it requires original car key to operate, or requires ISN code operation. So since you got the ISN code from the DME, we're going to say it requires ISN code operation. Here we are not using the key, and then we input. Say please input ISN code, and then we are going to put that code, the one that I snapped with my phone. Sorry, my phone is not good. It's not a good phone for video, but I'm trying to do the best I can to show you guys who are using Xtool and having a hard time. And then that's what we are going to do. And then we are entering this DME code. The DME code. Let me try to make it stable. It's not stable. This one is really DI key to max, so switching off. I think now it's a bit stable. So sorry about this, guys. And then we are punching this code, right? It's as you can see, 64C4DD5E57. We are punching it. It should be 64 C4 DD5E57 81. It's a 32-bit code. 8148 BD42E7 8 A 039 D 4B. Here it is, and then we are left with how many digits? 4 digits. D4C3. D4C3. As you can see, it matches that code. This is the code. This is the DME code, and then we say done. Okay, it will unlock for you. And then here we are having a BMW key. It's unused. Let me show you with I've got one. I'm using key 2 max. I'm reading the key. Read the key. Right. Read the transponder. It's unlocked. It's new. As you can see with key 2 max, it's unlocked. This is the key. Right. This is the key. I'm putting it on what? On the machine. And then we say remote key. We are writing the lost key using that ISN code. A chip has been detected. Please do not move chip. Success. We are done right now. Success. And then say need to write the newly generated file into Cas to take effect. File is saved at ECU stroke BMW stroke Cas3 plus EEPROM the Wheeler X10 L151 new bin. So when you go back there, it should be new bin. And then okay, we are done here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to check this key again. Read transponder. It should be logged now. It should be logged so that it can start the car. It's logged. All right, it's logged now. It's logged. And then let's go to write back the file. All right. Then we are using Cas3 0L01Y. Don't use Cas3 plus because it's going to give you a headache. Read and write flash. You're still using the same platform, but here when you read, you use Cas3 plus, because if you read using Cas3 only, it's going to give you a headache, right? Then we're going to use Cas3 plus 0L15Y. That's what we are choosing, and then EEPROM, and then write data. I didn't plug the case ID error, okay, because the case module is not there. So you just need to go and write the file back, and then we are going back. Let me show you where the file is located for you guys. Special function, and then EEPROM adapter, and then file browser, open ECU, and then BMW. It should be new bin. Yeah, here it is, new bin. There are two actually, because I already made the key. These are the file. This is the file. You see, this is the file. This is the file. This is the file. As you can see, unfortunately nothing's plugged on. So that's how you make the key for BMW Cas3 Istap. It's something that most of the locksmiths, they don't know. I've just figured it out earlier this year because I was having a hard time using this machine, but now it's perfecto. Be good. Jesus Christ loves you. Be good. Be good.